If you're paying full price for HubSpot right now, you might be leaving thousands of dollars on the table. In the next 3 minutes, I'll show you the real, legitimate ways to save on HubSpot in 2026. No sketchy coupon codes, just what actually works. HubSpot is an all-in-one CRM platform for marketing, sales, and customer service. It's used by businesses worldwide to manage everything from website visitors to closed deals, all in one dashboard. But here's the thing, most people don't realize HubSpot has a completely free plan and real discount programs that most tutorials never mention. First, the free CRM. Unlimited users, contact records, deal pipelines, email tracking, completely free forever. No trial, no credit card. If you're just starting out, this alone might be all you need before you ever pay a cent. Now, if you need the professional or enterprise tools, marketing automation, advanced reporting, workflows, this is where the real savings kick in. HubSpot runs an official startup program. If your business is under 2 years old with fewer than 5 employees, you can qualify for up to 90% off your first year, 50% off year 2, and 25% off year 3. That's not a coupon code you type in. It's an application through HubSpot's partner network, and once approved, the discount applies straight to your account. Note, agencies and service companies typically don't qualify, so check the eligibility before applying. Even if you don't qualify for the startup discount, switching from monthly to annual billing saves you a solid chunk, usually in the range of 10 to 20% on any HubSpot plan. It's the easiest guaranteed discount, and it takes 30 seconds to set up. So to recap, free CRM to start, the startup program if you qualify, and annual billing to save either way. I've put the official links to apply in the description below. That's the fastest way to get your discount without falling for a fake promo code. If this helped, subscribe for more software deals and comparisons, and I'll see you in the next one.